Okay, now that you have your FXChoice set up, you want to go and actually first thing you have to do is click on profile. Okay, click on KYC. That's your document verification. You want to fill all this out right here. Okay, get all this done. Employment status. Now they ask all these questions, don't know why, but just to the best of your ability, you collect each one of them. All right. Purpose of the account, we say to investing. All right. Source of funds, whatever you are. All right. But you want to fill all of this out. Okay. And then hit submit. Once you hit submit, you're gonna have to send up your information as far as your driver's license to be verified. Okay. That's gonna take you, a couple of hours to a day. All right. But once that's done, once you get the email back saying that your documents have been successfully verified and you are ready, then you want to come back to accounts. Click on accounts. Then you're going to open up a live account. Okay. And click on open live account. You're going to go here, MT4 classic variable. Currency, US dollar if you're United States. If you're in another country, of course you find whichever currency you're doing right here. Okay. Leverage is 1 to 200, and you're going to click open account. Now that your account is connected, your account is open. All right. You see my account is open, my login, that's my account number right here, and the password. You want to take a picture of these or copy and paste them and store them someplace so you won't lose them. Okay. Now that that's done, you want to click on the link right below this video. Okay. The link right below the video where it says Team Extremes MAM. All right, you want to click on that link. So I have the link right here for me. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to come over to here. All right, it's going to say Managed Account Service. You're about to join a managed account. Please select the managed account you wish to join. You're joining the Trade Kings account. That's the only one that's there. You're joining the Trade Kings account, and you're going to click I have read and accepted. Click Accept. And now you have successfully created a sub account and joined the managed account. That is my new account. My new password. Click a picture of that, save it, put it somewhere where you won't lose it. This is how you're going to log in on your MetaTrader 4 on your desktop or on your cell phone. Okay, so that's now your account is connected. Now all you need to do is fund your account. Okay, when you want to fund your account, you go back to accounts. All right, you're going to find that one that says sub account classic. Okay, that is your sub account. All right, your sub account right here. You're going to go click on it. Then you want to deposit. Okay, and then see all these options. You can change your password too if you need to, if you forgot what it is. Now, this is a feature that I like, y'all. For people that don't believe that this stuff works, you have an investor password. You can actually set an investor password. You put in another password, not the one that you use for yours, but you put another password in right here. Now, you can actually let somebody else log in on their cell phone to your MT4 account, and they can follow all your trades. They can follow the trades that the MAM account is doing for you, and they can actually see. They do not have access to be able to start a trade or close a trade. They have no access to your money. They cannot do anything but look. This is for for non-believers, the people that say, well, I just don't believe it'll work. You can actually set a password and give that password out to anybody, to anyone. Let them look every day at what your MAM account is doing. This is proof, y'all. See, this is proof that the MAM account works. You actually let people do it. And that, again, they have no access to your money. They have no access to opening up a trade or closing a trade. They can't do anything but look. Okay. So now, once you got this here, you do it. You want to come over to deposit. Now you're going to deposit your money. Deposit in Bitcoin. This is the most, effective way to do it. Deposit in Bitcoin, but you can do these right here too. Okay. But deposit in Bitcoin now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to this account, which is your sub account. Okay. That's your MAM account. The MAM account is always going to say sub account. Okay. Then however much you want to do. If you're doing $100, you put $100 in there. Okay. Now, if you're doing through BTC or whatever you're doing, BTC or Bitcoin BTC, all right, BTC, you're going to click on it right here, BTC risk. You're going to hit submit. Now it's going to tell you to confirm. This is the amount that you're going to be doing in BTC. You're going to click confirm. Now, once you click confirm, this is your address. Now, if you're using Cashout, I've never had Cashout to be able to read this code. It always tell me, sorry, we cannot recognize this code. But here is your address. Now, what I do is I copy and paste this to an email to myself so I can do the Cashout on my phone. I copy and paste this to an email and send it to myself. That way now it's on my cell phone because I'm doing this on my computer, y'all. So I email this to myself. So now I have this address in an email on my cell phone. So now I can actually open up Cash App and click on the BTC and click on withdraw BTC. Once I'm verified with Cash App, I can withdraw BTC because I've already purchased my BTC through Cash App. Okay, so now I can actually click on where it says withdraw BTC, and I'm going to go ahead and withdraw the maximum. Just slide that slider all the way over to the max. Okay, that little white line, slide it all the way over to the right where it says the max, and you're going to send that max, and it's going to ask you for the address. Now you just go into your email and you copy and paste it from your email into that address. Then you have to verify it. So you you paste it again into the verified. Then once you do that, you click submit. All right. And there you go. It's going to take anywhere from an hour or two, to 3 or 4 hours for your account now, for this account, the sub account, to actually show right here your balance, how much you have in that account. Okay. How much you have in that account. It's going to actually show right there of what you have in that account, and actually to show it on your cell phone too. Okay.